I'm using your power. I hope it doesn't wreck it.
That's the worst thing to use from my city. You're using my education too.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I had a look before. You've got a bunch of people transiting to commuting over to use my grade schools and high school.
Cool. Get the water. Get the water.
We'll have to put more in there. She's knocked half an hour already. Oh, oh no!
Oh, goodness.
Oh, actually, come on down.
Is that good? Is that good fun?